The installation was really good. It was all neat and tidy, and when I came home there was no mess. It was like nobody had even been in there. I like the fact there are no wires around. You can't see any of the wiring into the system.
Installation was very quick and simple. It took just over an hour to do. There was absolutely no cables. It's totally wireless. It was absolutely excellent. It was left just as it was found. I called Secure Home in because I was having issues with vehicles striking my property. They advised me of putting a motion camera on there, also as the added bonus of giving me alerts.
What's nice now is if I go away on holiday abroad or anywhere, that I can just check to see what's going on with the cameras, and it gives me some comfort from being away from home.
It's very reassuring, to be honest with you. The app itself is very simple to use. If it alerts me, I can just skip back whilst I'm at work or wherever I am and see what incident has happened.
Alexa, show living room.
Okay.
Alexa, show drive.
Okay.
Secure Home are a really good company. It was really good to deal with Nick. They're very friendly, approachable. They explained everything to me and how it was all going to happen, and I was really impressed.